Hi, let's understand Telnet remote access in few seconds. It's an application layer protocol, operates at transport layer TCP port number 23. It's a clear text traffic. Now let's quickly configure Telnet. I'll go to PC, and from PC I'll take an access to a router. So let me configure router configurations. So I'll quickly configure interface IP 10.11.11.2 with username admin with privilege 15 and the password as a Cisco. I'll go to align VTY. I'll configure login local and transport input telnet. So quickly copy the commands and paste it on the router. Now your router has been configured. Now go to a PC, ping your router. Now click on telnet 10.11.11.2. Username admin, password Cisco. We got the access to our router, and here we can see the packet capture, 3 ways handshake. So when we initiated a traffic, we can see there was a SYN, SYNAC, and ACK. So that's how we create a telnet access. Thanks.